welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1960 Pontiac Catalina convertible. This thing is sweet, guys. Look, they even made a write-up about it. 389 tri-power V8 engine, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, tinted glass. What about that? We're gonna test it out, see how she runs and drives down the road. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every ride on the lot. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted. And go on over to maplemotors.com. I have detailed photos of every ride we get. We update every Monday with new cars. Also offer finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, we're going to check out the interior before we take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? You can see detailed photos up the top on my website. It's showing 56,000 miles. It's hard to stand behind that without paperwork. Let's go ahead and start it up. Definitely got a good sounding motor. Little squeaky belt. See if our heater works. We actually have vintage air in here, so it does work. AC's cutting on. Very cool. We're gonna try this horn. Y'all place your bets yet? It does work. What do you think about the radio? You don't believe the radio works? Looks like it's on. Oh yeah. Middle speaker back there. Sweet. Let's find these windshield wipers. That's gonna be your headlights there. I believe that's your windshield wipers, and I don't think that they're working. Gonna need some repair on the windshield wipers. They're not working. All right, we're gonna take off down the road now and see how she drives. It's 52, we're about to cruise with the top down. Check this baby out. There's no seat belts, so you're gonna have to add that. Other than that, this thing's pretty sweet. Anything I see that may be wrong, I will let you know. Oh yeah, it already feels like a boat going down the road. We're going straight as an arrow. It's not pulling to the left or right. The steering is nice and tight. Let's see what she's got. Oh, it's a kick down not hooked up. I'll have to hook the kick down up on this one. Try and get a little power out of them 3 carburetors under the hood. Just a nice cruiser so far. Speedometer's coming up. All our gauges look good. Turn signals, both of them are popping up on the dash. Let's check these brakes. Brakes are pulling a little bit to the left. They just have some dust on them. They're stopping fast. Gas gauge is maxed out on the full. That means it may be full or unhooked at the gas tank. Usually if it's unhooked behind the dash or messed up behind the dash, it'll be on E all the way. Well, so far so good on a cruiser. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots. We're gonna drive over the camera and try not to destroy it. Get you some undercarriage shots. And even do a walk around video. Let's get it. Okay, it's time to hit the road again. There we go. It's park, neutral, drive, low, and reverse at the very bottom. So far so good, engine's staying nice and cool. We've been circling around the parking lot, did a full walk around video. I've let it run for a while. Did notice when you put it in park, it idles down way low. Shifting nice and smooth. Speedometer seems to be pretty accurate. Gonna take it right here, hit the speed bump in the middle of the road. Listen for rattles, shakes, and get an idea on suspension here. I bet you it's gonna be pretty smooth. These long cars typically feel like you're riding in a boat. I say that every time I'm in one too. Speed bumps were right here. Y'all didn't even notice it. I kinda did. I could kinda feel it, but it was pretty smooth. Let's roll. We're coming back up on the lot right here. We're gonna pull in, I think. I don't know, everybody pulled out front. I don't know if I can get in. Let's see, here we go. I'm trying to here. Don't hit me, guys. There we go. All right. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, just let me know, guys. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. We have close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can get finance, shipping information, all the good stuff. We update that website every Monday with new inventory. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. And you can hit that notification bell and it'll alert you every time I post a video. I got a Corvette to drive today. We're getting ready to hop in it, do a test drive. Be sure to check that out. And check out the walk around video of this car. I'll locate it the last 30 seconds of this video. Make it easy for you to find. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for sharing. See y'all later.